Welcome to our tutorial on how to show your family members to everyone on Facebook. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to make your family connections visible to all your friends and followers. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen. This will open a menu with various options. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings from the list. Now, under the Audience and Visibility section, tap Profile Details. This will take you to a page where you can manage what information is visible on your profile. Scroll down until you reach the Family Members section. Here, you'll see a list of your added family members. To make a family member visible to everyone, tap the Edit icon next to their name. Then, select Edit Family Member. You'll see options for who can view this information. To make it public, tap Public, and then save your changes. By following these steps, you can easily share your family connections with your entire Facebook network. This feature is a great way to showcase your family ties and make your profile more relatable to friends and followers. Remember, Facebook's privacy settings allow you to control who sees your information, so you can always adjust these settings if you change your mind. But if you want to proudly display your family relationships, making them public is just a few taps away. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and updates on using Facebook effectively.